Namaste. Shalom from India. It has been 4 years since we lost President Perez. His was a life devoted to Israel's progress. We can understand his love for Israel from a few lines during his farewell speech to the Knesset plenum. He said, and I quote, "I am taking leave of my position as president, but not from my duty as a citizen. I was a president who loved his people. As of now, I am a citizen in love with my people." Unquote. President Perez knew the dangers of war. That is why he made efforts to further world peace. He believed in science, innovation, and technology. During his 1994 Nobel Peace Prize acceptance speech, he spoke about how science is universal and something that has to be learnt. He rightly said, "Science and information are friends of all nations." It is wonderful to see Israel emerge as a technology powerhouse and a startup nation. This was something he worked for through his life. Shimon Peres had a special place in his heart for India. He appreciated our common democratic and cultural values. He came to India many times as a friend. India also has great affection for him. Today, as ties between India and Israel scale new heights, it is because greats like Shimon Peres created a strong foundation for them. I can never forget my own interaction with him in 2014. He was full of energy, full of optimism, and sharp as ever. All of us, the peoples of India and Israel, will continue to work together to realize his great vision, a vision of a 21st century partnership between our great ancient civilizations. We owe this to him. I pay my tributes to President Perez. His life and work will continue to inspire humanity. Toda Rabba.